Up.
Bali 2 piece po siya, bali big serving naman po siya. Ma'am. Right. Gusto niyo po ba ikat-invite ko siya?
Ano, ikat na lang para makadivide. Bali, ang dalawa, tapos isa sa bali. One, two, three. Bali, tama. Or, hindi.
Gusto nila ma'am, boneless pan-fried chicken na lang, 5 piece. Tapos mag-additional lang sila ng 8 cup of rice. And then pili po sila sa pasta or starters para mas maganda. Tapos yung 5 piece na boneless pan-fried chicken natin, pakatintos natin siya ma'am para lahat kumakain.
Bali, if ever, 4 pieces na siya sa isang order na. Pag hinati pa sa dalawa.
Pag di ba yung isang buo ma'am, pag ginati mo sa cut by twos ma'am, magiging dalawa na siya. Bali, 5 po kasi siya na boneless and fried chicken. Bali, magiging 10 po siya pag ginati sa dalawa.
Okay na lang. Tapos add na lang ng rice.
Yun lang, kanina ko pang sumusobri. Paulit ko.
So, boneless and fried chicken, 5 piece.
Tapos 8 na rice.
Tablo Kitchen X Cafe is a community cafe and restaurant designed and created to be a place of creativity, community, and comfort food. As a growing food and beverage industry business, Tablo Kitchen X Cafe strives to offer its clients comfort food, classy interiors, and a vibrant community space for gathering. Aside from this, Tablo is passionate about ensuring food safety and providing top-notch customer service. While the journey hasn't always been easy, Tablo's passion drives them to continuously elevate their clients' dining experience. With 5 operating branches around Metro Manila and 2 more incoming in the second half of 2024, communication and collaboration become crucial factors for their success. That's why Tablo needed to up its game with quality assurance, safety protocols, and schedule audits. Tablo first branch opened in 2019, but it wasn't until 2021 that they started implementing a system of regular audits. These audits were performed 3 times a day in 3 different areas of branch: dining managers, bar supervisors, and kitchen managers oversaw the completion of opening, middle, and closing inspections.
For me po, 9/10 po yung rate ng place po kasi maganda rin po siya, very family lang po and masarap po yung food. Yan lang po. Thank you.
So, I rate the Tablo 10 out of 10. The ambience and the place is good. And the staff is, sobrang approachable nila. And binigyan din nila kami ng crackers para kasi yung mga kasama ko mukhang gutom na eh. So, yun. And the chicken, sobrang lambot and masarap, sobra. And yun lang.
So, i-rate ko siya ng 10/10 kasi ang approachable ng mga staff nila, then super affordable din po yung mga food. Rate ko 10/10 kasi masarap, tapos affordable pa, sulit yung binayad.
May rate ko yung Tablo, 9 out of 10 kasi worth it yung price niya sa food. Yun lang.
Because of the food and the service and also the ambience, so I rate it as 9/10. Yun lang.
Rate ko 9/10, sinama lang nila ako dito. Tablo, good naman yung food. Yeah, the service is good. Thank you. Alam mo, ito silang apat eh. 1, 2, 3. Ayun. Mga napush. Ayun.